Confessions of an Uber Lyft driver, episode number 4. Okay, topstardriver.com is my website, along with tomberkenmeyer.com, just like it's spelled here on social media. So, this is a doozy, man. I pick up this guy, and right off the bat, he's kind of arrogant. Now, almost all of my passengers are really great, and I'm not going to rip on this guy. I'm just going to state it for what it is. He was pretty arrogant, but friendly at the same time, if that's possible. Somewhere along the ride, he just says something like, "You're not gay, are you?" I just started laughing like, what? I don't even remember for sure if I answered his question with a yes or no. I just started giggling. And then at some point he's like, well, it's cool if you are, because we're all supposed to love one another, right? I'm like, yeah, sure, man. That was the funniest damn thing ever. So I eventually get to his destination, and he's like, I'm a self-promoter. I do whatever self-promotion kind of stuff. I don't really know what his deal was. But he's like, you should buy my products. And he gives me his website. And his website, his product's all about his stuff. And he's like, you should buy my shirt and wear it around town. And when people ask you about it, you can give them my website. And so I looked up his shirt. And his shirt is just a big picture of his face on the front of it. So I don't even know who this guy is or why people like whatever he does. I don't know what it is that people are attracted to him. If he has an audience, I have no idea. If he has a fan base, who the heck knows? But his merchandise and his shirt that he thought I should wear, it's like, I don't know who this guy is. Why would it, even if I was a fan of his work, I don't even know what he does, but let's say I was a fan of his work, why would I want to wear a shirt with just a big picture of his face on the front of it, walk around with that, and so I could send people to his website for him? Why would I do that of anybody that I even admire? That's really bizarre. So that was different. At the end of the ride, I'm like, hey, have a lovely day, just like I do with just about everybody else. He's like, yeah, take care. He said something else too at the end of it. Oh yeah, he's like, well, by the way, spread the word. I'm loaded with guns in my house so that nobody tries to break in. I'm like, okay, will do. Yeah, so that's how the ride capped off. So if you enjoyed this story, feel free to share it. Good for some laughs, and I'll be doing more as more bizarre, interesting, funny, whatever stories happen in my car. Lifting and Ubering has been so much fun. It's so addicting. And by the way, all the money that I make from my ride-sharing business goes towards my affordable housing project, as well as I donate a little bit of it to the Gerson Institute. They heal people from all different kinds of cancers, all stages, and many other different diseases with nature, not medicine, and they have an impressive track record of being able to do it. And I also donate a little bit to the King's Ransom Foundation. All the money goes towards the cause, just like the Gerson. That's one of the reasons I donate to them. And with King's Ransom, they do many different things. They feed kids throughout the world that are starving to death. They take care of the elderly whose kids have forsaken them. They rescue children from human sex slave trafficking rings around the world. They do a lot of really great work like that. So those are the 3 places that all of my money from this business goes to. And if you're wondering how I can afford to do that, how I make sure my bills are covered and I can eat and I can travel and so on and so forth, feel free to private message me about that. I started an at-home business about, over 10 years ago, and that's been really good to me. So if you like learning something new and you want to check it out, let me know. I'll send you some info. You can see if it would be a good fit for you too. And I hope you enjoyed this funny story. Bye for now, everyone. Mwah! Maybe I'll see you in my car sometime.